How to get Lucidna in Palmon Survival. So there should be more than one way you can get this character, but if you have just started, just keep playing through the tutorial and an early camp progression, since Lucida can appear during an early scripted battle, but that appearance will not automatically unlock her, not even permanently. But after those early battles where Lucida does join temporarily, you can watch for a purchase offer or pack that does appear on your screen, and then current player reports and recent guides list that as in-app purchase as the early game way to obtain her. So that's pretty much one way you can get Lucidina. You can go ahead to the early game purchase offer and you can just get her directly and permanently, along with some extra resources if you log in consistently. Anyways, the next thing you can do is to go to your hatchery, and if it's available currently on your time, you should be able to see Lucidina as one of the rewards for your Palmon. So it's going to be a UR Palmon over here with a 0.06% chance. So what you're gonna do to get this is, of course, get enough of these hatching Palmon eggs. Then you can go ahead and try your luck. Of course, it is going to be a little unlikely, but if you are lucky enough, you can get a UR character, and that UR character can be Lucidina. So you can use the hatchery once she becomes available, and if you do want Lucidina immediately, the paid pack is generally the early option, and if you are free to play, waiting for the Season 1 hatchery availability does appear to be the main alternative. Anyways, hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.